Assessment and Evaluation Commission. The Assessment and Evaluation Commission (AC) is a commission in the Republic of the Sudan that monitors and supports the implementation of the Comprehensive Peace Agreement (CPA). The AC was charged to conduct a midterm evaluation of the unity arrangements established. The members of the AC are representatives from the Government of National Unity, 3 from the National Congress Party, and 3 from the Sudan People's Liberation Movement, representatives from the Intergovernmental Authority on Development IGAD Kenya and Ethiopia, and representatives from Italy, the Netherlands, Norway, the United Kingdom, and the United States that witnessed the peace negotiations. The African Union, the Arab League, the European Union, and the United Nations have observer status. Sir Derek Plumbley has served as the AC chairman since February 11, 2008. In order to help the AC perform its task, the CPA obligates the parties to the CPA, the INCP, and the SPLM to work with the AC with a view to improving the institutions and arrangements created under the CPA and making the unity of Sudan. Also, the AC can present reports to the Presidency of the Republic of Sudan and publish them with the consent of the Presidency, advise the Presidency on the arrangements and institutions created under the CPA, form verification teams on any questions connected with the CPA, and evaluate the fulfillment of international commitments and support for CPA implementation. The AC holds monthly plenary sessions that are attended by representatives of the parties, members of the working groups, and the Executive Secretariat. The AC chairperson submits his assessments and findings to the Office of the Presidency. The AC has been using its mandate by presenting a midterm evaluation report to the Presidency on July 8, 2008. Also, the active involvement of the AC in the Abyei crisis, traveling to Abyei and providing an environment where the parties concerned could negotiate the Abyei roadmap, proved to be an effective factor in support of the implementation of the CPA. The AC has offices in Khartoum and Juba. Legal status. The Assessment and Evaluation Commission (AC) was established in accordance with the Comprehensive Peace Agreement (CPA). Article 2.4 of the Machakos Protocol calls for an Assessment and Evaluation Commission to be established to monitor the implementation of the peace agreement. The exact composition, tasks, and location of the AC are determined by Republican Decree No. 36 of October 30, 2005. Structure. The AC is structured into working groups and has an executive secretariat. There are 4 AC working groups, each focusing on a protocol in the CPA. Power sharing, wealth sharing, security arrangements. 3 areas: Abyei, Southern Kordofan, and Blue Nile. These groups are chaired by members of the international community and work in closed session on implementation issues with commission members and technical experts. Monthly meetings frequently include special presentations and reports given by government ministries, commissions, and relevant authorities. Progress reports for each group are submitted to the Commission on a regular basis. The Executive Secretariat functions as the logistical, operational, and administrative component of the AEC. Specialized units in general services, finance, research, and IT support are managed by the Executive Secretary as directed by the AEC Chairman.